Ayun, dito lang pala pipindutin.
She doesn't show, of course.
Yes. Maganda ka dyan.
Ikaw, thank you kay Ate Sherry. Thank you. Wow. So, papasok na po kami. Napakaganda ng aking pinner. Ate, love gift lang mabibigay ko sa'yo. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Love gift. Love gift ko sa'yo.
Ay!
Very precious. Oh my God, I'm so fasting.
Ah, tara. Graduation man.
At least,
Ay, okay. Love niya.
panalimutan sila dati.
As we sit here ready to be pinned, the answer to all those questions.
Sherry Corona. Yeah. Doon tayo sa may
Pagdating.
Ala, Ortega. Grabe naman sa usap ko. Hello. Thank you.
Si Ortega.
Dito tayo sa gitna. Bakit? Daayog.
Ayun.
Hindi ka kita eh.
My last assignment for you. I solemnly pledge myself in the presence of this assembly
Solemnly pledge myself
to faithfully practice my profession of nursing.
to faithfully practice my profession of nursing.
I will do all in my power
I will do all in my power
to make and maintain
to make and maintain
the highest standards
the highest standards
and practices of my profession.
and practices of my profession.
I will hold in confidence
I will hold with confidence
all personal matters committed to my keeping
all personal matters
in the practice of my calling.
in the practice of my calling.
And I will devote myself to the welfare
And I will devote myself to the welfare
of my patients, my family, and my community.
of my patients, family, and community.
I will endeavor
I will endeavor
to fulfill my rights and privileges
to fulfill my rights and privileges
as a good citizen
as a good citizen
and take my share of responsibility
and take my share of responsibility
in promoting the health and welfare of my community.
in promoting the health and welfare of my community.
I will constantly endeavor
I will constantly endeavor
to increase my knowledge
to increase my knowledge
and skills in nursing
and skills in nursing
and to use them wisely.
and to use them wisely.
I will zealously seek
I will zealously seek
to nurse those who are ill
to nurse those who are ill
wherever they may need be
wherever they may be
and whenever they are in need.
and wherever they are in need.
I will be active
I will be
in
active
assisting others
in assisting others
in safeguarding and promoting
in safeguarding and promoting
the health and happiness of mankind.
the health and happiness of mankind.
Congratulations!
Hindi sila masaya. Hindi sila masaya.
Joy?
Oy, no, that's my classmate.
Glory? Wait lang. Basta may Glory. Gloria.
Pwede mo ilagay dito yun, di ba?
Dito? Ortega? Sheridan Ortega? Para sabi ko, parang mas nagulat pa ako doon kaysa doon sa pining.
Corona yung nakita ko doon eh. Wow! Ay, this is my ninong by the way.
Ba't iniiwan mo na? Grabe.
Ninong!
Pumasok.
Yeah, he needs to earn some money.
Daddy! Yung alipin niya.
Hindi mabuti.
Sakto lang.
Bakit malabo?
Ano to? Nagbabalita. Kasi, hindi dapat yung audio is yung digicam. Para magkakaiba.
That's my sister!
Hindi ako dyan.
Bakit walang class?
Sabi sa inyo eh.
Ba? Catherine.
Girl, alam mo ba? Ini-schedule ko na ipa-quote yung repair ng sasakyan ko ngang alas 3. Na-realize ko hindi pala ako nag-drive. Kaya kailangan ko ipa-reschedule.
Kailangan ba ng ID?
Wala pa, hindi pa na.
Ay, so mauna na ako dito. Parang nakakahiya. Girl, nakakahiya. Ba't wala pa kumakain?
Naiya ako.
Say about it.
It was awesome. And she's a graduate now. Graduation yun, di ba?
When are they gonna cut the cake? I don't know. Come on, let's do the honors.
Magkikake ba kayo? Kain na tayo?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ayaw mag-focus.
Ha?
Ayaw mag-focus.
Girly, what is...
Manghang yan.
Oo, para di ka makakain. Toyo ata.
Latoyo ka daw.
Ba't ang labo?
Hawakan ko lang.
Di ba siya